To use the local wireless feature of Super Smash Bros. On Nintendo Switch, we need to move over to where it says local wireless and press A. We then need to go to A to create the room, set the rules and press A again. On your friend's Switch, they need to also go to local wireless, and this time instead of create a room, they're going to go down and they're going to join the already opened room. They're going to wait for a connection from the host, and then when it comes through, this one has to allow it. And then I can pick my room, and then they can pick their room, and then basically we will be ready to fight together. Now on the screen here, the host of the party has to press L and R together, and then it's going to say get ready, and then shortly after this they're going to start fighting together, and you will have your own screen to play on. So you can see now that we've both got exactly the same thing going on each of the screens. To exit it, you just need to press the plus button, go down to quit, press A, and then go to yes to end the game for all the players. And that is it. Thanks for watching.